Welcome guys, myself Aditya Urgunde. Today we are learning the concept of class and object and a simple program for class and object. Let's see what is meant by class. Okay, Basically a class is a user-defined data type that has a data member and member function. A class is a blueprint for an object. Okay, here is a simple syntax for the class. Uh, Here, it starts with a class keyword, then class name, then open curly brace, then access specifier. Here, access specifier can be public, private, protected. Okay. Then the data members, variables. Okay. Then the member functions are declared here in this section, and then the close of curly brace. Okay. And then the semicolon. This is the syntax for the class. Let's see the object. An object is an instance of a class. When a class is defined, no memory is allocated. But when an object is created, memory is allocated. So let's see the syntax for the object. It starts with a class name and then object name and semicolon. Class name, then object name and semicolon. I hope you understood the what is meant by class and what is meant by object and the syntax of them. Okay. So let's see the program for the class and object now. For this, I am using the GBD compiler. For this, I am using the GBD compiler for the class and object program. Here, this is the framework of the GBD compiler. Uh, Here, hash include iostream is a header file, then int main cout hello world. It is printing this hello world here. Uh, when we run this program, we will get the output. Here is the hello world output we will get here. Okay, I am running this program. Uh, and here, let's see. Hello world output is getting here. Okay, so let's see our program for the object and class and object. Okay, here hash dunker iostream is a header file using namespace std class. Uh, I am creating the class here. Class is created here. Okay, class here add. Class name is add. Then public is access specifier. Then int a, b, c are the variables or a data members are declared here. Here I have created a two member functions, void input and void sum. Inside the void input, I have entered a and b, and inside the void sum, I have done the operation of the addition. Okay. Uh, then here the class is closed with semicolon, and then int main section is started. Then I am declaring the object. We have seen earlier the syntax for the object declaration. It starts with a class name and then object name and then semicolon. Same here. Here is the add is a class name. Okay, add is the class name here. Then the object I have created the obj and the semicolon is here. Uh, Calling these the two member functions I have created, I using the dot operator. Here object dot input uh, calling this section void input section it's calling, and it enter the values a and b. Then object dot sum calling the this void sum section, or and it getting the control go over here, and c is equal to a plus b c out. Here we will get the additions from this section, and then we close our program. Then we will get the possible output of the program is uh, values for a and b. Here are the I have taken 1 1, and the addition I will get is 2. Okay, I hope you understood the concept of class and object very clearly, and we have seen here the program for the class and object. Okay, class and object. It is a simple program for class and object. I think you guys understood it. If anyone have doubt regarding it, ask in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. And thank you for the listening.